You got the Chronicles. It's a new playlist, a new month, and it's a Saturday. It's kind of a good combination for me. It's about a little after 8. Slept pretty good, and we're going to try to finish mowing today, and maybe have some fun today, I hope. Or work on a song. Guess that could be having fun, but we'll see. Alright, so me and this mower, we don't get along. So first off, it has like no power. So you think, battery's dead. Come pull a voltage meter on the battery, reading 12. So I just start wiggling wires because that's how I've got it working in the past. Random wires, not the same wire, just random wires. And so I do that. So I got it working. It was running. I was like, oh, cool. And then all of a sudden it stopped running. That's weird. So I just let it sit there for a minute, and I kept trying. And oh, this is weird. So then I opened up the hood, and this coil wire was off. Like, it had to come off like after startup because it won't start with it off. So I was like, well, that's dumb. So I plugged it back in. It fired right back up. I was like, okay, cool. Let's move 12 feet. Cool. And as I turned my PTO on to start mowing, and the PTO didn't come on. I was like, what the heck? So then I cut it back off, look underneath there, and one of the drive belts was off. I was like, dadgummit. So fiddle fart over that, got the drive belt back on. I'm like, okay, and I need to replace it because it looks wore out. I just need to get new belts for it, I guess. But it's on there. So I sit back down, went to go start it, nothing. So now we're back to square one. So what's going to happen is this thing is not going to run either at all, or it's going to wait till it gets super hot out here. Because I was going to mow real quick before it got hot. But now I've done dinking around with this thing for an hour. I mean, it got like 6 wires. I mean, it ain't complicated. We may or may not mow. This thing might sit out in the rain because it's aggravating me. We'll see. So yeah, I don't know. It's pushing 10 o'clock now, and it's starting to warm up. Just not too warm yet, but by the time I actually start mowing and doing the mowing, it's gonna be like an inferno. So I don't know what's going on. I mean, it's weird. It's a ground issue, I'm sure, because that's what all my problems are, ground issues. Nothing's grounded, including myself. Dang it. Alright, so we're gonna go to the store and get some stuff as she puts her mask on, and see how weird this is. Tell me when you're going.
I'm going.
Oh, so here's Teeter. I would say the only person I saw, there was one lady with a badge that was checking out that worked there that didn't have a mask on. Everybody else in that place had a mask on. Now, our poor cashier, every time she talked, it kept popping off her nose, but she kept putting it up on top of her nose. So,
she was aware of it.
Yeah, but customer-wise, there was a whole bunch more there. And see, that's kind of like, again, I'm not in mask police, but
the average age was probably 70.
Well, that one dude like had the weird like, I'm not old, but I still got surfer hair guy that was buying beer that was parked next to us.
Oh, I didn't even notice him.
So he wasn't. He was younger than me. So I mean, there was some young people in there, and there was like some families with younger kids and stuff like that. So
well, yeah.
Granted, the younger kids didn't have masks on, but at least the adults did.
Yeah.
Still don't quite understand why you would take your kid grocery shopping, but whatever. So far, today's been kind of a bust. Didn't get the mower going, which sucks. And watched a little bit of TV. Got laundry done. That's it. So, but I think after we do groceries and fold laundry, maybe we'll go to Mower Mountain to walk the dog. I think.
Because we're extra like that.
We're that's the plan, but you know how plans go.
I want to go to Mower Mountain. I haven't been there in a long time.
It's been 2 years, right?
Longer than that.
Well, we walked snow 2 years ago.
It was longer than that.
Labor Day. We've had snow for more than 2 years?
Uh-huh.
That was 19? No, 17.
Uh-huh.
Wow, okay. Anyway.
And I figured out what I'm doing here. I'm digitizing you for your simulation.
For the simulators. So they can replicate me in, like, you know, silver sedans.
They have an accurate
Driving my arm
capture
out.
of your appearance.
Simulators. There.
It's up in there because I'm driving.
I don't know if I got it.
I hope you did.
So weird with him on a leash.
It is. Not used to it.
I'm not either.
I
So
don't
we're
think
gonna
he is anymore.
try the quarry trail. See how that goes.
It looks shady.
Quarry trail. Oh, let's see what we got right here. Okay. We're here, and this is a, how long is this one?
I don't know.
0.6 mile. We can do that.
Oh yeah.
Totally.
We could do that like 3 times.
Of course, I'm the one reading. It might be 10.6
Oh, I didn't even see where it said the distance. So.
on the side.
There.
Got a little cabin in the woods,
Because every woods needs one.
and a little cabin in the woods, and it's done.
Okay, we're following blue diamonds.
Okay. Is it like an old-timey pooper?
That's what I'm thinking.
I don't know. Weird.
Maybe. I have no idea.
Like, what could it possibly be?
It might have been a fire pit on this side.
Well, I mean, you know, what better way to poop than by the fire? Huh.
Keep the bears away. Let's go across the bridge, Sylvian.
You think dogs know what bridges are?
I'm thinking so, because you need to walk across it.
Like, do they think, oh man, this is a good idea that we got a bridge here?
Well, I don't know. Do dogs use natural bridges?
Maybe.
Or maybe they do know what bridges are. Oh, it feels so good down here.
And you'd think you didn't want to do this. I mean, you did, but you didn't.
Because I had to leave the house.
Crick.
It is not moving. There
Bridge.
it was, and there's like turd-looking things on the ground. So,
Number 2.
did somebody pee on that tree?
Cool.
Doing it correctly. But still hear cars.
Oh yeah. Number 3, kind of.
Well,
Yeah, it's a bridge
show how they fixed it.
with a kickstand. It's got 2 kickstands.
Oh, that one's fall?
On film.
Oh, because you burped.
Yeah.
Okay.
I always burp on film.
You're gonna go this way? Okay. Never know if you're gonna circle around me or go straight.
That's where the bridge goes. And the bridge goes there.
I think we could get across there. I don't know if the dog can get across.
Yeah, you can. You with the phone. Oh, there's fishes.
There's fishes?
Yeah.
Okay, I guess we're trying it, Snow.
You can go. If you go that way, he can go for sure. Neat. Where is the person that this belonged to? I don't know. What bridge?
Bridge!
Which way are we supposed to go?
This way. We can't go that way. We
Is,
can go this way.
is that the loop?
I don't know. can just go sit over there.
I'm gonna go see
Go
what.
anywhere.
I'm gonna go see what it does. Bridge.
Careful on that bridge.
A little sketchy. Huh. Neat.
Wipe your nose off, buddy. He's coming back.
Whoa, it's like Mystery Hill. Another question is, where did the guy wearing this shirt go? We're gonna find like a naked man somewhere back up in
I
here.
don't know, because this is looking weird this way.
Huh. There's random 4 posts or 3 posts over there.
Yeah, I
Don't know what's up with that. Hmm.
This is a little teeny trail.
Yeah.
Keep going, dude. Oh, cool. Beans.
What's over here?
You want to get some water? I got mosquitoes on me. Looks like a little waterfall.
And another bridge. And water. Neat.
The rocks are all sideways. Little meadows.
Little elemental peas down there.
Yep.
Hmm. Cool.
Yep. I don't know where to go. We gotta take it up that way. Squirrel! Good bye, squirrel. Oh, good fireplace. Neat little place.
Yeah. Alright.
There's one
I don't know.
bridge.
Bridge.
There's still water. Oh, I guess this is which way you want to go.
Oh, okay.
I could have taken that little stream.
Another bridge.
I saw 6 little bridges. I was only expecting 3.
Lake.
Right along the edge of water's edge, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, neat 'em.
Cool.
Good. I don't have to worry about snow.
There's a lot of people on that boat. A little camo tree. What tree is that? I don't know. Weird. Huh.
Woohoo!
There's a buddy. It's kind of hot. That's the lake that we were at a while ago.
Yeah.
Nice little uphill stretch.
I'm looking forward to the downhill part.
And jet ski out there.
2 more of those trees. And
That's a pine tree. What are you talking about?
it is. They do.
So we were down there?
Yeah, it was.
Huh.
Cool.
This is like squatching without the squatch.
That's what you think.
Y'all see a squatch anywhere? Is this the apex?
Oh. That's cool. Ooh, musty stuff.
Mossy stump. Oh, there we go. I'm taking. The bridge.
Okay, I got it before.
I suspect foul play. Foul play. There we go.
Oh, and small children too?
All right. And that's where we are. We're not dude's house.
It's a boy's name.
Oh. Oh, this is he. Okay, maybe it's his brother. Okay. This is a whale.
Oh, well.
A whale.
Can I pick it up?
I don't know. Can if you want, maybe. It will. Oh, it was you. God.
Oh, it is a well.
So this isn't a trail, really. I mean, it is, obviously, but it's not marked. So we're at the Crone house, so we figured, why not? Take it. Nobody's here. And looks like there's a graveyard up here. Or something. Whoa, it is a graveyard. Ooh. Huh. Died in 1872. And then he died in 1883. And that person died in 1910. I'm guessing this is where they're buried. Hello, sirs. Wow. Okay. A random thing. And something over here too. Not sure what this was. Oh wow. A gravestone.
I don't know that that's a marker. I think that's just a stone.
Why would it be upright like that?
Somebody put it there being silly?
I don't know.
It doesn't look like a gravestone.
Guess Tiff Hamilton was here at some point in time. Tiff W. Hamilton. Huh. This is a little bit more creepy of a trail. Just because it's not a trail, but it is a trail. And it leads to a graveyard. So can't get much more creepier than that. Right? Ants all over the place. Bridge over troubled waters. Neat.
Oh, should I say that again? Thank you, honey, for getting me out of the house. That was fun.
Snow had a big time.
He had a very big time.
He's very tired.
Yeah.
I think he's not used to as much excitement. So yeah, so we're heading back to the house. Well, as day 214 comes to a close, stupid mower, man. I just didn't get that done at all. Got the song kind of imported, hadn't really messed with it just yet. Did go on quite an adventure with the snow. The snow? Yeah, the snow. So, so that was cool. So yeah, so we're gonna call it here. Still may get on that song a little bit. It's just, I don't know. We'll get to it. So yeah, so I'm gonna start this and then we'll see. I have no idea what to do tomorrow. Did laundry today, so that's good. So I don't have to do that tomorrow, but just I want to get this yard done, but maybe work on the house. Maybe we'll be working on a song all day. I don't know. We'll find out. New month.